Yun, depende nga sa department. Tama? Pag it's related to AP, lahat yan meron. Okay, so we want to correct those practice and evaluate, no, our practice kung kailangan pa natin. During our orientations with your school heads yesterday, sa kanila mismo nang galing, no? Kailangan pa ba o hindi na? No? Just to protect our instruction. So, quantified disruptions, no? 53 of 180 school days disrupted. Itong 180 ng school year to, ha? Yung last school year. Okay, 30% required classes, nearly 3 months compressed. No? Ginawan talaga natin para nung pandemic. Nung pandemic, maiintindihan natin, no? We don't like the situation, and we can't do away from those disruptions. But, yung last school year talagang grabe yung nangyari sa atin. Next slide, please. Ayan. What compressions does to learners? Siyempre, rush lessons, reduced mastery time, less space for remediation, inconsistent pacing. Tama? Diba? And kahit nakakakonsensya sa part ng teacher, wala siyang magawa kasi patapos na nga yung grading period. Diba? O may mga naririnig pa kami na pag fourth quarter, kumusta yung fourth quarter nyo? Naku sir, may pre-grade na po kami sa mga bata. Ano yung pre-grade? Pre-grade for the fourth quarter. Diba? Yung fourth quarter exam, fourth quarter exam ng principal ako, nagulat ako. Anong pre-grade dyan sa department mo? Sir, yung fourth quarter test po, ano na lang po namin yan just for the sake of compliance. No, nagawa na nila ng grade. Kung paano nila ginawa, kung paano nyo yung ginagawa, hindi ko natatanong eh. Ayan. Diba? Alam na alam natin yan. Kaya yung school head walang magawa. Kasi siyempre, naghahabol din siya kasi pag-graduation na and all. No? Mag-check, magpe-prepare ng sulat kay Mayor, 5 minutes na lang, gustong-gusto ko pa magsalita. Ayan. Para sa medals, lahat, no? Ano pa yan? Ibabak pa, lahat, no? Ayan. For our teachers, yan. What compression does to teachers, yan? For grading cycles, no? Hirap. Yan. For reporting peaks, preparation of reports, overlapping instructions, and work extended beyond working hours. So, yun talaga yung reality. Kaya, ito yung ginawa natin. Ginawa natin sa paraan para mas din klarado, no? Yung 3-term at alam natin kung saan natin gagawin yung ating mga kailangan gawin. So, for the 3-term calendar, makikita nyo yan, no? Ito yung for our 2026-2027, no? So, for the first term, mayroon tayong 64 days. Yung term 1, yun yung ideal, no? Yung term 1, 74 days, no? So, may 5 days tayo for the opening block, yung yellow. Meron tayong 64 days devoted for instruction. May 10 days tayo for the end term block. Second term and third term. Okay, ni-restructure natin yung school year natin para mas makita nyo kung saan nyo kailangan gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Next slide, please. Ayan. Makikita nyo yung buong breakdown dito. Ayan. Okay, so opening block, term 1 only. No? So term 2, wala nang opening block. Kasi na-establish na natin yung for the whole year. So yung may yellow po, yung opening but for this year, makikita nyo. Ayan, kasama na dyan yung orientation sa ayaw Confirm. Kasi grabe naman sir, ang klase ko dun